All these things are stone base. Then the thickness is there. Look at the thickness of the asphalt. We are still working. So look at the thickness. Look at the stone base. This thing is stone base. This is the thickness of asphalt. I'm just following the edge. Just following the edge. Look at it. Yesterday, it was raining very heavily, but we were able to do a good work. So this place, where he says is poorly done, that is where we are starting today. We exhausted the asphalt we had yesterday. So we are starting here. The paver will now mount this place. The paver will mount